Ever wondered who dreamed up that sleek little card that keeps your crypto safe and sound? You know, the one that looks more like a credit card than a high-security vault for your digital assets? Well, you're in the right place because today, we're diving into the story behind Tangem and the visionary who brought it to life. In a world increasingly embracing digital currencies, the need for secure and user-friendly storage solutions became paramount. Early adopters juggled complex software wallets and clunky hardware devices, often facing steep learning curves and the constant fear of losing their private keys. It was in this environment, this burgeoning era of digital finance, that the idea for Tangem began to take shape. Imagine a world where securing your cryptocurrency could be as simple as handling a physical card. No intricate setups, no lengthy seed phrases to meticulously transcribe and safeguard. Just a tangible object that held the key to your digital wealth. This was the core vision that drove the creation of Tangem. So, who was the individual behind this innovative approach to crypto security? The founder of Tangem is Andrei Kurenic. Andrei isn't just some random tech enthusiast who stumbled into the world of blockchain. He has a strong background in technology and a keen understanding of the challenges facing early cryptocurrency users. His expertise likely played a crucial role in identifying the need for a more accessible and secure hardware wallet solution. While specific details about Andrei's early career and the exact aha moment that led to Tangem might be scarce in readily available public information, the product itself speaks volumes about the problem he set out to solve. Tangem's focus on simplicity, security, and a user-friendly design clearly reflects a desire to lower the barrier to entry for cryptocurrency ownership. The beauty of Tangem lies in its elegant simplicity. The card itself is a marvel of engineering, packing advanced security features into a familiar form factor. This design philosophy likely stemmed from Andrei's understanding that widespread adoption of cryptocurrency hinges on making it accessible and unintimidating for everyone, regardless of their technical expertise. Think about it. The average person is comfortable using cards for various aspects of their lives, from banking to identification. Tangem cleverly leverages this familiarity, making the concept of a crypto hardware wallet far less daunting. Under Andrei's leadership, Tangem has evolved from an initial concept to a recognized player in the cryptocurrency security space. Their commitment to open-source technology and rigorous security audits further underscores the founders' vision of building a trustworthy and transparent solution for safeguarding digital assets. While the spotlight often shines on the technology itself, it's crucial to remember the human element behind every innovation. Andrei Kurenic identified a critical need in the market and spearheaded the development of a product that addresses it with ingenuity and a focus on the user experience. Tangem is a testament to his vision of making cryptocurrency security both robust and remarkably simple. So, the next time you hold a Tangem card in your hand, remember the name Andrei Kurenic, the founder who envisioned a simpler, more secure way for everyone to participate in the world of digital currencies. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.